Reminder, this thrift store grill was originally $8.99, marked down to 99 cents, and on sale day, it cost me 75 cents. Alright, again, there's that grill. Alright, I'm going to be smart and cut this off so I don't ruin that. We got all natural lean ground beef, 93. There's a pound of it. I'm going to make 3 burgers. That makes them 1/3 of a pound. So I got a bowl. I got that pound of hamburger. And I am going to use the thrift store grill that I'm going to give to my uncle. I brought it with me here to make sure that it works. Definitely would not want to give away a grill that doesn't work. So, mixing it up. Famous Dave's steak burger seasoning. Some of that in there. Put some sriracha. This is going to be nothing fancy. Alright, we're going to mix it all up. More of the Famous Dave's. More sriracha. Okay. And the final mix it. So, we're going to try to do 3 third-pound burgers. 1. Press the center down a little bit. Press the center down. There's 3 burgers. Alright, I know I shouldn't, but here's some spray, and I got some French fries crinkle cut. They're not good for you, but I want some. I've been behaving and eating better. Oven 425. Another interesting thing that's done here, this is one of those office clips, and I might steal this idea. You use those to seal up bags. And then, you know, when you're done, you just pull the clips back out and you put it back in. I need another clip. But that's a really good idea. I have a little bit of zucchini left, and I'm going to put that on the grill at the end. Or like after I flip the burgers. Along with that, I have some onion left. Gonna try to do the same kind of thing. Cut 3 thin slices, hopefully. See, I'm not gonna accomplish what I'm trying to do. So we'll have 2 of them and then just some onion. Alright, so I don't have the long lighter thing, so I'm gonna try to get this thing lit. There we go. It took forever, but we're lit. One burger, 2 burger, 3 burger. Alright, let's see how we're doing. Alright. I think it's got good heat. Alright. Not sure how quick this grill is going to cook. So, we'll put these on there now. You can always take them off. And onion. Alright, time to go flip those French fries. Gonna flip the burgers a lot since I don't know this grill very well yet. Before it sticks. Try to flip this onion. Some of it. It'll work. Don't worry. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it now. I think for 75 cents, I'm giving them one hell of a gift. This is I've had some good steals at the thrift store, and this is one of those. I need to check my rear view mirror to see if the cops are coming, because this is a pretty good deal. gonna be nice to have a burger. It's been all veggie stuff for a while. I still haven't decided if this is coming before or after the fake chicken meal, which was excellent. French fries are coming along inside. Life is good. So, okay. I'm going to call that done. I'm going to turn the grill off. Got a plate. Boom. The grill worked very well. We got the zucchini. Turned out well. Hamburgers. So I am going to call this 75-cent thrift store grill a bona fide success. We'll let it cool. We'll go inside and I'll make up the burgers and fries and all that good stuff. Ding, fries are done. Zucchini. We're gonna try the zucchini on there. Just had olive oil on it. It's good. Sriracha time. Smiley face. A lot of onion on this burger. Good smiley face. Okay. Put it on there. That's a nice juicy burger. And again, I like using my dry mixes in it. That's a good burger. Cheap crinkle cut fries. Sriracha. I don't use ketchup either, really. Flyover fries with sriracha. Zucchini. There's the burger. Fly into that nice burger with a nice big hunk of onion on the top. And sriracha. Take another bite. Told you I was going to take another bite. Here's the other bite. That's really good. Really, really good. Oh, these fries are hot. They'll do. And I said I've never really been a ketchup fan. And if I get fries out, I usually get barbecue sauce. I think it works a lot better. But sriracha works even better. Alright, YouTubers, a quick and easy decent burger on a super cheap 75-cent portable propane grill from the thrift store. Life is good. My aunt and uncle are going to really appreciate it. Have a great and wonderful day.